Hello everyone and welcome to Trade with Precision free newsletter. My name is Tamar Mehr. In this video I want to take a look at the Swissie. We've seen some really strong sell-off of the Swiss franc in the last couple of weeks and most of its trading partners have increased in value. So we've got some nice trend on these pairs. So what I would like to do is look at the technical ingredients to find out from a technical point of view which chart could give me the best potential trading opportunity. So let's start with a couple of these pairs. And I want to start with Aussie Swiss. And what we can see on Aussie Swiss, beautiful uptrend here on the daily chart, clear series of higher highs and higher lows. We also have the moving averages fanning and in the correct order, and nice convergence here on the indicators. We do have a new and nice uptrend here on the weekly chart as well. So what I'm looking for when we've got the market very much overextended, I'm looking for a pullback to release some of that buying pressure. I'd like to draw the fibs as well of the latest move, so from the low to the high, and now what I can see is that we've got the previous high with the area of the 0.76 round number clustering quite nicely with this sweet spot of the fib retracement latest move. So we can see there's the 50 to 62%. There's also a new monthly pivot that started right around here, pretty close to that 0.76 level. So a very nice area for the market to pull back into, looking for a bullish candle in the buy zone and a continuation of this move. But when I look at the monthly, and let's just mark the area where we're sitting right about now, we can see that this level, the area of 0.78, is quite a strong level on this market. We had a couple of touches at that level in the past. So if we'll have a pullback from this level right now, what it would mean is that we are reacting to this level again. We're finding resistance at this level and we're pulling back from that level. So any trading opportunity that I'll be looking to take, what I want to be able to do is take at least a 1-to-1 before we reach that strong level of support and resistance. Let's take a look at another example. Let's have a look at Cat Swiss. Very nice picture here as well. We've got a beautiful uptrend, clear series of higher highs and higher lows. Moving averages are fanning and in the correct order. Nice convergence on the indicators. We do have a nice uptrend here forming on the weekly and a nice uptrend on the monthly as well. So again, looking for a pullback, release some of that buying pressure, but the story is similar on the monthly chart. So if we'll mark where we're sitting right about now, we can see it's the same story. It's the 0.78 level and plenty of touches at that level in the past. So if we pull back from that level, again, we're reacting to that very strong level of support and resistance. Let's have a look at Kiwi Swiss. Kiwi Swiss is quite similar. We've got a nice uptrend here on the daily, moving averages fanning and in the correct order, and nice convergence on the indicators. We also have a new uptrend here forming on the weekly as well, and we are overextended. So looking for a pullback, release some of that buying pressure. Again, if we'll take that pullback, if we'll have that pullback, that would mean that this level, this 0.73 in the Kiwi Swiss case, is also acting as a resistance level yet again as the market is pulling back and reacting to that level. So we could see the continuation of the Swiss franc weakness and then these market breaking those strong levels of support and resistance. In that case, once we have that break, I'll be looking for a pullback to test that breakout level from above. That means that my stop loss could be protected by that strong level of support and resistance, and looking for a continuation of that move. But for that, I need to wait for that level to be broken. However, if we'll take a look at Euro Swiss right now, so Euro Swiss also had a very strong move against the Swiss franc. We can see that we had a very strong push higher and the market is very much overextended at the moment. Now we do have moving averages fanning and in the correct order and some very nice convergence on the indicators. Weekly chart also moved into an uptrend, so does the monthly. So we can see that the monthly right now is in an uptrend as well. Now if we zoom in on the monthly chart, we can see that the next level of support and resistance is actually sitting here around the 1.2. So let's just mark that level here. So if with the Aussie, with the Canadian, and with the Kiwi versus the Swiss, we were sitting right at those levels of support and resistance, with Euro Swiss, we do have a long way to go before we reach that next level. Now, as for those of you who remember, that 1.2 level is quite significant on this market. For many months, this level has been the peg that the Swiss central bank had the Swissie pegged to the euro until one fine day they decided to release that peg and you can see that very strong sell-off. So we started here a new uptrend on the monthly with the next level of support and resistance being quite further away at that 1.2, quite significant level. So if we go back into the daily and mark that Fibonacci retracement, a pullback into that area of 50 to 62% is in and around that 1.12 area, and I'm looking again for a pullback, really some of that buying pressure, and looking for a bullish candle in the buy zone and a continuation of that very strong and bullish move. Have a fantastic trading week and I'll speak to you soon.